Hey guys, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and today we're going to be embroidering some logos on some smocks for a local dog grooming and bakery company. So we're going to be using the Avancé 1201C here. This is our new 12 needle embroidery machine. It's super quiet and it's perfect for home and retail use. So let's show you how it works. So the first thing I want to do is just go over the products we're going to be using for this project today. So first we have our smocks, and these are 100% nylon. So they are very thin and they also don't have any stretch to them. So for backing, we are going to use a 2.5 ounce cutaway backing. And as you can see, it's black. So this is on Coleman & Company, and black backing is a really great option for black items like this that are thin because you won't have to worry about any of the white coming through. And we're using the Gross-Beckert DBK5 needles. This is 7.5 by 11, and these are a really sharp needle. They come with the Avancé 1201C, but if you're not using that machine, we highly recommend these. You can find them on Coleman & Company. So we're actually sewing a right chest logo on this. Now usually you do left chest logos, but as you can see, our smocks have a pocket on the left side. So we're gonna go ahead and put our backing inside, and like we said earlier, these are very thin. So I'm using 2 pieces of that 2.5 ounce backing. We're just gonna insert in there and try and make sure it's nice and centered. I'm then gonna get the back of my hoop, put it underneath my backing here. Now on Coleman & Company, you can find our perfect placement guide that's really great for showing you where to put logos. But what it recommends is for a left or right chest logo to go about 7.5 to 9 inches down, and then about 4.5 to 6 inches over. And that's where you want the center of your design to be. So we're just gonna kind of center this up. And when we hoop this, we wanna make sure we do it nice and tight because as we said, this has no stretch to it. So we really wanna get it nice and secure, and then just pop it in place, and we're ready to send this over to our embroidery machine. Now the Avancé 1201C comes with magnetic hoops and arms. So these are really great for production because they are just super easy to load and unload. So we're just gonna slide our hoop on, and once we hear and feel that click, we're ready to go. We had the Wolfgang Bakery and Grooming logo digitized by ColDesi Graphics. So the best thing about that is they sent us a photo of this already sewn out. So we know that it's ready to go. And we looked at our run sheet and we programmed our color order in here. So we're ready to press start. So the embroidery is now complete, and we can go ahead and bring this to our workstation to remove our hoop and cut away our backing. So the first step is we're just gonna pop off our hoop here, and then remember we used the cutaway backing. So we want to turn this inside out and pull up our backing, and then cut away from the shirt because we want to make sure we don't puncture it. Remember, this is a really thin material, so it could be very easy to puncture with these scissors. And there you go. And with this cutaway backing, the more times they wash this, the softer it's gonna get. So as you can see, embroidering logos like this is really easy with the Avancé 1201C, and custom embroidery orders like this for local companies is really great way to start and expand your embroidery business because not only do they have smocks, but they also have items like aprons and polos and other things that they're gonna need embroidered. So your business can become the one-stop shop for them. So if you wanna find any of the products we used here in this video, you can go ahead and visit colemanandcompany.com and live chat with one of our pros. Thanks for watching.